baby.
Sorry, it's been a while. Lots been happening.
Yes.
Just wanted to say thank you for all the comments about Peps. Bless him. We miss him, but
Yeah. You won't be in our next caravanning video.
no, I'm afraid not. But he's in here, so he comes with us. But yeah, bless him. We'll miss him. But we just thought we'd do a little caravan update for you.
Done some running repairs on Wendy.
Yeah, you might have seen in the last video we needed to redo the floor, so we did that. But unfortunately we forgot to film it. But we'll go over and we'll show you the new carpet. Oh, sorry about that. Show you the new carpet, fix the front door. You know, the pushy uppy arms, some new locks.
Gas locker.
Oh, and the new water heater.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Wendy's like
Pimps. You've officially been pimped.
pimped. Yeah, she's pimped. All ready for our next trip to Bognor in 2 weeks' time. So we'll take you with us there as well. It's a caravan.
Toot wave.
Toot wave. So yeah, we'll let you know when we get there and we'll show you the new carpet. I hope it still smells like new carpet.
Might do.
Oh, I love that new smell.
2 caravans. 4 caravans.
Whoa! Loads of caravans, look. Did he jump the lights or
I
what?
think he's jumped the lights, yeah.
Bad drivers. Bad caravan. Oh my god, look at that old caravan. Yeah! That's cool, isn't it? Right.
Let's go.
We'll see you when we get there.
Here's little chair. Let's go look at the caravan then. There she is, there's Wendy, all parked up. So, yeah. Yeah, I know.
What we do is make sure the gate's shut. Look at the bird poo on there.
They've got new locks. New locks.
Oh shit. Sorry, I did a beep.
Beep. Ta-da! New carpet.
Hang on, I'll go in because I'll take my sandals off and get a rug. I'm gonna walk on it. I'm gonna try it out. I'm just gonna get my sandal off. That's it.
There you go. Hand over. Oh, what's the back? New carpet.
It's plumbing lovely, isn't it?
That's the floor solid. Also, our other rugs are in the stable, huh?
Wow, it's solid.
Oh, I don't think your bed's anymore here.
Yeah, I'll let Mike show you that.
I can't put my shoes on.
Oh. I'll have to show you that.
No.
Although I'll input the little clip from when we came over and fitted it.
Yeah.
Cool.
Hello.
Turn the tap on.
Hot water. Let me show you. So it's all plumbed in. It's all plumbed in. All screwed down. Might need to tidy this up if you want to, but that's all secure. It's not moving. So it's all there. It didn't have any blue pipes. Got 2 lots of red. So it's now heating up. And there's our whole repair look. Not too bad. Not too bad. And we've got hot water in the bathroom tap as well. Super duper.
It's hot.
It's coming through hot now, as it always does. The bathroom tap. Drag it round.
It's hot.
There we go. Hot water. Ta -ta -ta -ta. And I think you put the outside cover back on as well. Do have looks.
We did it.
Caravanning 101, one repair.
Yes. Wendy! Just got to get the duster buster out and have a vacuum quick.
I'll put spare tire in the front.
Yes!
Works out the,
Got to get the jobs.
get the lugs back out the...
Oh, where are they? In the office?
Yeah. That's why when we talk it, tools.
Maybe. Yes, Nels!